Hi guys, welcome back to the Boss Light channel. In today's video I want to show you how to get unlimited stars on Measure. Yes, so this is the Measure. So this is Measure, and if you want to get unlimited stars, all you have to do is to click Earn. And when you click Earn, you are going to see simple steps to get more ratings, promote on blockchain, okay, and purchase. You don't need to purchase. I want to show you the simple steps to get more stars. Subscribe to their YouTube channel, follow them on their X account, follow them on their Telegram account. This is what you have to do to get more stars, and I want to show you how much equivalent these stars will be when you get into US dollars. Okay, so if you want to capture these stars, as you can see, what you have to do is to click here on games, okay, and click play. As you can see, I already played these games, and if you want to play another game, you are going to click play for 100, okay, and click confirm and pay. As you can see, 100 stars is equivalent to 2.39 cents US dollars. So just imagine you getting like 5,000 stars. Just imagine you getting like 30,000 stars. How much money you are going to be making? Remember, these stars are later going to be turned into tokens, and that tokens will be later exchanged by USDT, so you can withdraw them to your account. So what are you waiting? Just join the Measure. If you want to join this, just click the link in the description and start earning by playing games and performing Measure tasks so that you receive stars. And if you want to know how much stars you'll be having, you yourself, you're going to click top, and then once you click top, you are going to be seeing here how much your stars will be. So this is my balance. It is 4.6k. so this is my balance, and I just started today. That is how much I have. So guys, that is it for today. If you really want to start, just join immediately. Click the link in the description and start performing this task and start playing so that you earn stars for tokens. Thank you.